Experiencing issues with the Spectrum TV app on your Samsung Smart TV, like crashes, buffering, or compatibility problems? A simple uninstall can often resolve these issues. First, navigate to your TV settings menu, then select Apps, followed by System Apps. Locate Spectrum TV in the list. Select Uninstall to remove the app and its data. Ensure your TV is updated to the latest firmware for the best results. You can check for updates in the support section of your settings. Once uninstalled, reinstalling the Spectrum TV app is straightforward. Go to the Samsung App Store. This is found on your Smart Hub. Search for Spectrum TV within the App Store and select Install. After installation, you'll need to sign in with your Spectrum account credentials. For older Samsung models, pre-2017, without the App Store, you might need to use the Samsung Smart View app on a mobile device to sideload the app, although this is less common. Before reinstalling, it's also a good idea to clear the app's cache. Settings, Apps, Spectrum TV, Clear Cache to remove any potentially corrupted data. After reinstalling, restart your TV to ensure the changes take effect and avoid any residual bugs.